As a holistic health practitioner, you're on a mission to identify the root cause of disease and to do the detective work it takes to get people better. You're looking at your patients' or clients' diet, movement, exposure to heavy metals or chemicals, air quality, water quality, mold even. But what about their electromagnetic or EMF environment? Dr. Dietrich Klinghardt, health pioneer and medical director at the Sophia Health Institute, shared with me that there are two types of patients that are chronically ill. There's the type that gets better and those who don't. And you know the difference between these two? Well, the folks that get better follow his recommendations to reduce exposure to electrosmog. So in other words, if you're an MD, ND, acupuncturist, DO, chiropractor, health coach, or any type of healer who wants to get to the root cause of disease, if you're ignoring EMFs in your practice, you're currently missing a big piece of the healing puzzle. My name is Nicolas Pineault and I'm the author of The Non-Tinfoil Guide to EMFs. That's a book endorsed by dozens of health authorities throughout the world, such as Dr. Mercola, Ben Greenfield, and Paul Chek. And in the last year alone, I've been featured on countless podcasts, summits, and offline media outlets, such as the Mindshare Summit and the Dr. Nandi Show. And since the release of my book, I've received feedback from hundreds of health practitioners around the world asking me the same question. How can I add EMF as a factor in ill health or disease to my practice? And how can I assess if my patients or clients are overexposed? And what can I tell them when they ask me questions about EMFs? And I looked everywhere for a resource to recommend these health practitioners, but realized that there's simply no holistic health conference, no course, and no program that contains all the information that you need to prevent, diagnose, and treat EMF-related illness. But that was until now. And I'm so proud to introduce you to Electrosmog Rx, the world's first EMF course for health practitioners. And Electrosmog Rx contains the latest cutting-edge, most concise, vetted information currently available on how to prevent, diagnose, and treat EMF-related illness and quickly translate what you learn into better clinical results. To put this course together, I've interviewed some of the world's foremost health experts, including Dr. Dietrich Klinghardt, Dr. Joseph Mercola, and Dr. Ben Lynch, just to name a few. Then I also dug and summarized the latest evidence-based recommendations from pioneers in the treatment of EMF-related illness, such as the Institute for Building Biology, the work of Dominic Belpom on electrosensitivity, and the European Academy for Environmental Medicine, and a lot more. And today I have a very special invitation for you as we're beginning to launch this cutting-edge course. In order to make Electrosmog Rx the best it can be and get live real-world feedback from health practitioners from all around the world, we've decided to launch this exclusive beta launch in the form of 5 live webinars in 5 weeks, which start on March 12, 2018. Webinars topics will include EMF basics, everything you need to know about our new electromagnetic environment and what your patients or clients are exposed to, EMF science, credible data on how EMFs affect human health, symptomology, how to identify overexposure to EMFs, mitigation, evidence-based ways to reduce exposure, and finally the 5th one, resilience, supplements, foods, and lifestyle interventions to reduce EMF sensitivity. And to make sure that we create the best experience possible for everyone, and to be able to include a live 30-minute Q&A session at the end of each webinar, on top of the Facebook group where you can get all your questions answered and share your clinical observations, we've decided to only accept the first 100 health practitioners who see this page and save their seat before the cars close on March 11. Now, if you can't make it for the live webinars, rest assured that you can get access to the full replays, video, audio, and also written transcripts soon after each webinar. And if you join Electrosmog Rx during this limited time beta launch, you can also get the following bonuses. So you're gonna get a PDF copy of my latest book, The Non-Tinfoil Guide to EMFs. You're gonna get PDF cheat sheets to increase your patients' and clients' compliance. And these are going to be created off of practitioner feedback. So they're gonna be very valuable tool in your practice. Full exclusive interviews that I've done to get this course together with health pioneers such as Dr. Dietrich Klinghardt, Mercola, and Ben Lynch, and full access to the full course that's going to launch in late 2018, and for a fraction of the price, because today you'll pay less than $200 to get access to this course, and it will also give you full access to the full course this fall, which will be worth at least $500. Electrosmog Rx is cutting edge and contains clinical observations that are unpublished and impossible to find on Google or in any book, to be honest. Critical information that will help you bridge the gaps between your patients or clients' symptoms, labs, questionnaires, and observations that might currently not make sense in your practice. And you might just discover that the reason your patient or client isn't getting better is that they're sleeping with a cell phone under the pillow, like most people are, or a Wi-Fi router that was mistakenly installed under the bed. So don't wait to take action and get your hands on this critical information. We're only accepting 100 health practitioners for this live beta, and I know it will fill up very fast. So thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I hope to see you on the other side. Bye-bye.